One of the really cool features on Dubb is this ability to use the whiteboard. Part of the Dubb mobile app is right here. There's a little clipboard right there at the top of the app. And what that clipboard does, iPhone, Android, tablets, it is going to give you this little digital whiteboard. And on this digital whiteboard, you can just type in whatever you needed to. I'm going to type in the previous example, I did, hey, John, but I'm going to say, squeeze out of debt, squeeze out of debt. Now, I know, Bill, you had a specific cool little clip for that. So this is the whiteboard feature. And the way we would use this to actually generate a custom thumbnail on Dubb is one, you could have it be a part of your video, right? So when I actually go to record the actual video I want to post, I could just have this be a part of the video. I say, hey guys, are you looking to squeeze out of debt? And I just continue to record and I can download that separately. Now I can also use Dubb just for the thumbnail. So like right here inside of Dubb, I'm going to get my screen ready and I'm going to start like this. Hey there, guys, you can squeeze out of debt. Just take a look below. And now the video, it doesn't actually matter what I said because all we're actually getting from that is the still frame or the GIF, depending on where this is going to go now. So if it was for a GIF, I would have wanted to make sure I record for at least 3 seconds and then I can download the GIF. If it's the still image, then I only need the 1 second. I'm going to go download still thumbnail and it's going to download that to my desktop computer. So that's essentially what it's going to look like too. So that's why I started with the whiteboard there, the smile. I just made sure that as the recording started, it captured what I wanted. Because specifically for YouTube and others, the thumbnail has to be static. It has to be an image versus in email, in text message, in LinkedIn, etc., and direct messages, I mean, on social media, it can actually show the animated preview like this. So whether you're uploading to a platform like YouTube or you're sending this through different platforms, that'll determine how you want your thumbnail to behave and how you can create the thumbnail either separately, like this one, or have it be a part of your video, actually. By the way, this whiteboard looks great on tablets as well. If you guys want a larger message, sort of have it be more prominent, a tablet works really well for that as well.
And another thing that you can add actually is an emoji.
Oh,
Sometimes
yeah.
people are doing that. I actually recommend as a best practice to always invest in your thumbnails using this whiteboard feature because for me personally, I might not actually go through the process of taking my thumbnail and uploading it into Canva or Photoshop just because it's an additional workflow. It takes time.
Right.
It's we're all very busy. So this is sort of a way to create a thumbnail in real time. You've got your face, you've got a text, you've got an emoji, you got a smiling, colorful experience, hopefully. Hopefully we're all using a front light source. We have a nice background. I think those things will really help, whether it's for YouTube, whether it's for social, whether it's for your Dubb videos.
Absolutely.